Hey there, my friend, fellow traders. Will here with the FXAce.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So, happy April Fool's Day 2020, and I wish it was an April Fool's. What's been going on at the world at the minute, which has been pretty hectic with this COVID-19 ravaging through out the world, causing lockdowns everywhere. Especially has been ravaging through the markets. There's been a lot of volatility across all asset classes, and the one we focus on is Forex, and it turned out to be probably our best month of the year, and we're going to go over that in this video. So first off, if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe button now. It'll be somewhere on the screen here. I think maybe down to the right, whatever you're watching on, mobile or browser, web, laptop or computer. So you can actually also join the private Facebook group, the FXAce Professional Forex Signal and Educational Group. I post weekly updates and weekly signals. Okay, so let's get into the nitty and gritty. As I said, we've had a pretty crazy month in the markets. Volatility has come into markets big time, especially in March, and it's the beginning of March. And we're going to go over this month's trading. Okay, we actually finished the month on a high. So we did another great week. You can see the clients posting their results today, around 300 pips. Jason's first week, 300 pips. And you can see it's right here that really good week. And we'll just go through all the videos. You see last week people posting. Okay, so this is people that are in the group. They're getting trades week in, week out, and they're getting results week in, week out. Okay, you can see posting people getting their results. Yon getting 529 pips was from the 9th of March that week. 10th of March we had a bad week that week. That was when had the flash crashes and the flash rallies. It started off pretty crazy, but then by the end of the week some trades actually worked out pretty nice. Then you can see here the first week of the month, people posting their results. Paul, 890 pips, huge week that week to start the month off. So it was. And apart from that, second week of March, it turned out to be a fantastic trading month. Okay, and let's just have a look. Okay, so this is this week. We only had 2 trades trigger. Yesterday, British pound CAD, British pound Kiwi. Two nice trades. British pound CAD got 200 pips in British pound Kiwi. We got 110 pips. We closed in this morning and closed the month off, finishing it off pretty nicely. Okay, pip count. We've added those 300. This was actually our second best month of all time. Like I said, volatility came into the market big time. When you're in times like this, I didn't really see it at the start of the month, even though we did have a huge week. The start of March. It wasn't until the second week when these flash crashes started to happen that I kind of had a reevaluate what was going on in the markets. Seeing that the volatility had come in hugely, and markets were reacting at higher time frame zones, i.e. monthly and weekly trading zones. So I had to adjust my method a little bit and zoom out to the higher time frames to catch the volatility and the moves. And since we've done that, we have had 3 winning weeks off the trot. This was probably the best week since second best week of the month. We got 1,090 pips in that month, or sorry, that week. That was thanks to the gold trade, which was an awesome position on that. That was actually I gave that trade free out on that week, I think, to subscribers. Turned out to be a great trade. 23rd of the 3rd, we had 330 pips. That was last week. Another nice week. And this week, only had 2 trades triggered. Sometimes you only need a couple. And we got 310 pips. Okay, so fantastic trading month. Second best month of all time. This is all documented. If you're got this video via email, you can actually download the Excel file, and you can have a copy of this month's every trade we took. You can go to the markets, you can track them and see how they worked out. Alternatively, you can go over to the Facebook group, you can ask people in the Facebook group, you can see the people in the Telegram group here. They are getting
James McGill.
Yes, Netflix just came on now. So you can see people are getting results week in, week out, and they're posting them in the group here. And yeah, service works. We guarantee it. You can see why we guarantee that you'll make 900 pips every 90 days, or we'll simply give you your money back. Going off the pip count so far, and we're counting. You can see here we're averaging around, apart from the last 2 months of last year, and we know if you any experience in the Forex markets, you do know that towards the end of the year, the volatility slows down, which kind of affects your trading. So it does. Mid-year, you can see the volatility picking up. After the summer holidays, the volatility in the market's picking up. You can see the SPY results then slowing down, and January starting to pick up. February was a pretty slow month, and this month has just taken off, even after that even after that bad week that we got caught with the flash crash and the flash rally. The reason we are still in the game after that is because we control our risk. And that is one of the most important aspects of any type of trading. It is to control your risk, and that's why we can stay in the game long term. Results guarantee it. We know that we can make money in any type of market, basically because we're trading with the smart money, we're trading with the smart money in the market, the institutional money. We know where they're going to be in the charts, and we're trading with them, not against them. That's how we guarantee our results. It'll work in any market environment. As you can see this month, people have probably been losing left, right, and center, blowing account left, right, and center. Yet with our service, we're actually making pips. The simple reason is because we're trading where the volatility is. Day trading in this type of environment is suicide. That's my personal opinion. The markets can whipsaw up and down pretty quickly. A lot of brokers have wide spreads, so it's not really an environment to be day trading. Volatilities in the higher time frames, we talk about that in every video I make, and that's how we're able to profit in the Forex market. So if you want a service that guarantees results and is consistent, it's got happy customers week in, week out, you can see the results they're getting. We don't talk bullshit, we simply show you what we do, and we show you the results the people that are actually using our service get. We don't need to hide. I don't hide behind any logo. You can see, if you go over to the Facebook group, my signal service, you can see my face there. I don't hide on anyone because I'm not one of these gurus. I'm a trader. I get results and I get other people results. Our service works, I guarantee it. So I think I've rambled on a bit too much here. Get ready for April. It's going to be another fantastic month. Hope you're well wherever you are in the world. And yeah, click the link below. Access our service. We guarantee you'll get results. Find this as a service that's built for traders that want to bank pips. So I'm going to stop the rambling. If you want to finally make money trading Forex, click the link below. If not, as always, thank you for watching the video, and thank you for being one of my viewers or subscribers. Guys, well, have a great day there. Well, over to fxace.com.